Mr. Sancho Lee
Mr. Sancho
got plenty lychee,
lychee,
plenty lychee, but he no give to me.
Why is that, Caroline?
And he's just a mean old pocket man. Mr. Kazutanaka
Mr. Kazukanaka,
got plenty electronic
electronic equipment.
plenty electronic equipment, but he no give to me.
How come you know that?
And he's just a mean old Japanese man.
Sushi.
Is that the extent of your Japanese? All those trips to Japan? And you got
Sashimi.
Mr. Conrad Jones
Mr. Conrad Jones,
got plenty swimming pools,
many swimming pools.
plenty swimming pools, but he don't give to me.
How you gonna act?
And he's just a mean old howling. Mr. Maximo Concepcion
Mr. Maximo Concepcion,
got plenty fighting chickens,
fighting cocks.
plenty fighting chickens, but he don't give to me. And he's just a mean old Filipino man.
That one. That one.
It's a Filipino
That
love.
one. It's the Filipino love call.
How can any woman resist that? Don't you just want to jump in the bushes with the guy that goes, hey, but come in the bushes with me. Come play with my bitty goat.
Hey, that one.
Come here. Okay. Where the hell was I in this?
Let's see.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You are wonderful people. I'm very grateful. So this is before I met my beautiful wife, Monalani. Miss Momelo
Miss Mommy.
got plenty experience. Plenty experience. She no experience me. And she's just a beautiful cocktail waitress.
I must confess, she had experienced me. Psst, that works.
Let's
You
all
should
go out
try
and
it.
try it tomorrow. Mr. Kamaka Viva Ole
Mr. Kamaka Viva Ole.
got plenty, nothing. Got plenty, nothing. He takes it out on me. And he's just a mean old Hawaiian man. One thing I would notice about this place, all us guys we tease the race. It's amazing we can live